Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by signing in, so open the Google Accounts page and enter your email and password now. Once done, make sure two-step verification is enabled if you haven't set it up. This prevents unauthorized logins. If you need a new account, tap Create Account and follow prompts for name, birth date, and recovery info. When you reach verification, choose SMS or Authenticator app. Pick what you will consistently access. This gets you into the Google ID ecosystem securely and quickly. Once signed in, you'll link services and configure details. Go to Personal Info to update your display name, photo, and recovery email so you can regain access if needed. Then navigate to Security to review devices, recent activity, and app passwords. Revoke any unknown sessions immediately. To use Google ID with apps, select Sign in with Google on the app's login screen and grant only necessary permissions. Make sure to audit third-party access periodically to keep control over shared data. Finish by running Google's security checkup so you get automated suggestions and can remove unused devices or apps. This is a quick habit that prevents issues. If you can't sign in, use the recovery email or phone you set up, follow the guided steps, and answer questions as accurately as possible. One key troubleshooting tip: if verification codes fail, switch to an Authenticator app or request backup codes and store them safely. These often solve SMS delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.